Okay, so my question is, what is the mass of 3.4 moles of water given hydrogen has a mass number of 1, atomic number of 1, and oxygen has a mass number of 16, and atomic number of 8. So I'm given moles, and I'm asked for mass. So I'm going to be using the equation N equals little m over big M. And I've been given, it's 3.4 moles. Mass is my unknown. Molar mass, I have enough information to figure it out. The way I figure out molar mass is I write the chemical equation of water, H2O, and I add the molar masses of each component of this chemical equation. So H2O is 2 H's and 1 O. Each H has a molar mass of 1 gram per mole because it's the same as the mass number. Okay, so 1 gram per mole and 1 gram per mole. Oxygen has a molar mass of 16 because that's the mass number of oxygen. So oxygen is 16 grams per mole. And I add these up to get 18 grams per mole, and this is the molar mass of water. So my M here is going to be 18 grams per mole. So now I just plug this into the equation. I get 3.4 moles equals M over 18 grams per mole. Rearrange my equation, 3.4 mole times 18 grams per mole equals 3.4 times 18, 61.2 grams. Okay, let's do it with another molecule. Let's say I have the exact same question, but I have what is the mass of, use the same number, 3.4 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, and here I'd be given carbon, mass number of 12, and oxygen with a mass number of 16. So again, same setup, N equals little m over big M. My N, I'm using the same N here, number of moles, 3.4. My mass is my unknown. My molar mass, again I have enough information to figure it out. Carbon dioxide, the chemical equation, CO2. So I have 1 C and 2 oxygen atoms in every molecule. The molar mass of carbon is, when I look back at what I've been given, my mass number is 12, so it's 12 grams per mole. And each oxygen atom is 16 grams per mole. And again, I'm just adding these up because the molar mass of a molecule, CO2, is just the sum of the molar mass of all of its individual atoms. So here I have 1 carbon and 2 oxygens in every CO2 molecule. So I'll add these up. It's 32 plus 12 is 44 grams per mole. Okay, and this is the molar mass of CO2. So that's my big M over here, 44 grams per mole. So I just plug in my equation, 3.4 mole equals little m over 44 grams per mole. Rearrange my equation, 3.4 mole times 44 grams per mole equals 44 times 3.4 equals 149.6 grams. That's my answer. So we compare to the first question, water. 3.4 moles of water has a mass of 61.2 grams. 3.4 moles of carbon dioxide has a mass of 149.6 grams, which is much higher, and that just tells us that carbon dioxide is a heavier, or it's a molecule that has more mass than water. And that makes sense because water is made up of 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. 2 hydrogens each have a molar mass of 1 gram per mole, and oxygen has 16 grams per mole. Carbon dioxide is made up of carbon, which is 12 grams per mole, and 2 atoms of oxygen, 16 grams per mole. So it makes sense that the molar mass of carbon dioxide is going to be higher than water, and our answer here is also going to be higher than our first answer.